Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken broth taste better. First, select high-quality chicken bones and fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. Roasting these ingredients before simmering adds a significant depth of flavor. This initial step is crucial for building a robust foundation. Ensure your pot is large enough to accommodate everything comfortably, allowing for proper heat distribution. A good start makes all the difference in the final product. To elevate your broth, incorporate essential aromatics such as whole garlic cloves, a few bay leaves, and about 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. A small amount, perhaps 1 tablespoon, of apple cider vinegar helps draw out beneficial minerals from the bones. Remember to skim any foam or impurities that rise to the surface during the first hour of simmering. This ensures a cleaner, more flavorful broth without any off notes. A gentle simmer is key. Avoid a vigorous boil, which can make the broth cloudy and less flavorful. Let it cook for a minimum of 2 hours, or even longer for a richer result. Towards the end, season with a pinch of salt and fresh herbs like parsley or thyme. If you desire a more intense flavor, reduce the broth by simmering it uncovered until it reaches your preferred concentration. This step truly amplifies the taste. Once your broth is ready, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve, optionally lined with cheesecloth, to remove all solids. Allow the broth to cool rapidly before transferring it to airtight containers. It can be refrigerated for up to 5 days or frozen for several months, making meal prep easier. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below this video. Enjoy your delicious, homemade chicken broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.